Good morning, students. Welcome again. In today's class, we have revised about symbiotic nutrition. What do you understand under it? Two or more plants which live with the help of one another are called as symbiotic plants. This type of nutrition is called as symbiotic nutrition. I have earlier given few examples also. Plants like coconut tree, banana tree, banyan tree, these all plants grow along with some fungus present on it. So, isn't it fungus and these plants live with the help of one another? So, this type of nutrition is called as symbiotic nutrition. Let's turn to next point. Insectivorous plants. The heterotrophic plant. This topic we have earlier studied. Now we will study about insectivorous plants. This point also we have studied in the previous year. What are insectivorous plant? The name itself tells us the plant which trap the insects or which live with the help of insects are called as insectivorous plants. These plants eat the insect for their survival. There is one picture shown on this page. The name of this plant is Drosera burmani. This plant isn't it look beautiful? It has reddish pink appearance on it, and along with this plant you can see one small insect like a honeybee is attracted towards it. It has a flower like appearance. It grows close to the ground. Its leaves are attractively pink or red in color with hair at the margin. Droplets of a sticky substance found at the tip of the hair attract insect. They have hair-like appearance, and this hair-like appearance attracts the insect. What do insects do? Insects go close to the plant. They don't know whether the plant is insectivorous. Just to have their edibility or to find out their way of living, they go close to the plant. And as this plant is insectivorous, unexpectedly the plant traps the insect. That is the way of living of this plant. Who was the first scientist to find out this plant? The scientist's name is Jonas Burman. This scientist identified the plant in Sri Lanka in the year 1737, and hence this plant is named after him. Below the picture of Drosera burmani, you can see one more plant. Does it look like a mushroom? On what does mushroom is appearing? Mushroom is appearing on a decaying plant. It is one of the trunk or one of the dead body of the plant. What is decaying? Decaying means spoiled plant. Plants which obtain the food from dead and decaying bodies of other organisms are called saprophytic plants. So such plants which live with the help of dead bodies of the plant, decaying of the plant, spoiled plants, they are called as saprophytic plants. Various types of fungi like mushrooms and yeast are saprophytes. Fungus secretes digestive enzymes on the dead remains to digest or break down the carbon compounds they contain. The resulting solution is absorbed to obtain nutrition. Saprophytic plants are the plants which live on the dead bodies of the plants or dead organisms. Mushroom is one of the good example. You can see few mushrooms in your backyard also. There must be some trunks, some coconut trees, some other trees fallen down in your surrounding, and after few days, especially in rainy season, you may see few mushrooms form on that. Those are saprophytic plants. How do we come to know that they are saprophytic plants? Obviously, the plants which live on the dead organisms or dead bodies are called as saprophytic plants. Today we will stop here with saprophytic plants. In the next class we shall continue the further points. Thank you.